How to use Walmart app to pick up order. To use Walmart app to pick up order, follow these steps. First of all, open the Walmart app or check your confirmation email or text message for a pickup link. In the app or from the link, select I am on my way to let the store know you are coming. When you arrive at Walmart, park in one of the designated curbside pickup spots. Then in the app, select I have parked and enter your parking spot number and vehicle color. This helps the associate locate you easily. Then a Walmart associate will bring your order directly to your car. If you have trouble checking in through the app, park in a curbside pickup spot and call the number listed on the sign or in your confirmation email. An associate will assist you directly. This process makes it simple and efficient to pick up your order without needing to enter the store.